Debate program is such a program where this motion is flowed out the theory, not only the theory but also the practice, not only the paper but also the lives we lead and the society we shape. So it is not the theory life, it is a practice life. In 1947, it was the capital of East Pakistan, and from 1971, it is the capital of Bangladesh. Now I would like to talk about the education system. In education sector, Dhaka, it plays an important role from very past. There are many universities, public universities, private universities, many renewable college and many schools. There are Dhaka University, like BUET and DMC, and like private college, you can say BRAC University, UIU University. Here the renewable Notre Dame College, Vikarunesa known School and College, Holy Cross College. These colleges, universities are play an important role in our education sector. Now my opponent team say about traffic jam. I would like to talk that Dhaka has the fastest train of Bangladesh Metro Rail.